Let's go. Let's go. Ain't nobody do it like I do. I'm gonna make some waves and make some moves. So make way, now I'm coming through. Let's go. I'm just on a mission, baby, take it to the top. I don't play no games, I'm forced to keep it stop. It's a celebration. How you like this? Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Oh, what I gotta do, yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna do, yeah, what I gotta do, yeah. How you like this? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do, what I gotta do, I'm just gonna do, yeah, what I gotta do, yeah. How you like this? Hustle, hustle, every day gotta hustle, hustle. How you like this? How you hustle, every day, yeah. How you like this?
Happy third birthday, Migo.
Happy birthday, anak! Happy third birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa Diyos. Siyempre, sa pag-iingat nga sa'yo sa tatlong taong ito ng iyong buhay.
The sun rose over the valley for the first time in a while. It feels like a new dawn is breaking and I'm free.
Happy birthday, Migo! Happy birthday, Migo!
This is a new beginning. Yeah, this is just a start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part.
Salamat at ikaw ay lumalaking malusog at masiglang bata at bibo.
Wish ko sana maging malusog ka, maging masayahin na bata, at lalong higit sa lahat, magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos.
It's like the world resumed turning, like everything's gonna change, and we can stop all the yearning and just exist in today. Is this what it feels like to be right?
Happy birthday, Migo!
The best part. It's a new beginning. Whoa. A new dawn is breaking. Take a look at the world we're making. I think we're finally waking up. These are the moments we live for, where stars and planets align.
Alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal at sobrang blessed namin dahil dumating ka sa buhay namin.
Sana maging masunurin kang palagi sa mga magulang mo. At ayun, sana maging successful ka sa buhay mo.
This is just the start. We won't forget this feeling.
Sana anak, patuloy kang ingatan ng Diyos hanggang sa paglaki mo. Unang-una sana magkaroon ka palagi ng takot sa Kanya.
Lagi mo tatandaan na andito lang si nanay at si tatay para sa'yo. Lahat gagawin namin para matupad namin lahat ng pangarap.
Wait for the best part. It's a new beginning. New dawn is breaking.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
I love you, anak. God bless.